Hello, hi, welcome to all of you. This is my channel Power of Math. Myself Paul Chandrakant. Okay, students, this is our last topic from number 16. That name is 1.10 Roman numerals. You already learned in the 5th standard also some Roman numbers are there, up to 1000 is there. Now in 6th standard with some basic specific rules are there. So who invented the Roman numbers? The Roman people invented the Roman numbers. And why they are inventing the Roman numbers? For we are also inventing our Hindu Arabic number system. Why we invented for the calculation? That's why Roman people also invented the Roman numbers for the common method of calculation. And why they need a calculation? Because they want to spread their business all over the world and for the communication and trade. That's why the Roman people are invented Roman numerals. So how the Roman numbers are formed? The Roman numbers are basically depend on the 7 basic symbols. These 7 basic symbols are so much important. Now here I draw the chart also and I am showing with the help of one image also. You can just look at the board on my left side. So for the Roman number 1 we can use I, English capital letters. Basically Roman numbers showing by the English capital letters are there. For the 1 we can use I. For the 5 we can use V, for the 10 we can use X, for 50 L, now 100 C, 500 D and for 1000 M. With the help of these 7 basic symbols, all Roman numbers are the Roman people are invented and they are very helpful in their country. Near about 800 BC and 900 BC के दौरान ये पूरे Roman numbers वहाँ पर यूज किए जाते थे in Europe continent. Basically they are spread in all the Europe continent. So these are the Roman numerals, students. These are the 7 basic symbols. Please don't forget these symbols. Now we are learning step by step how the Roman numbers are invented, how we use in our practical. So yeah students, आपने रोमन नंबर्स देखे होंगे. कहाँ पर देखे आपने? या द क्लॉक, जो हमारे पहले की क्लॉक आती थी, अभी की क्लॉक्स में तो हमारे नंबर दिखते. आपकी रिस्ट वॉच हो सकती है या तो फिर वॉल क्लॉक हो सकती है. उस वॉल क्लॉक के ऊपर हमें नंबर दिखाई देते हैं फॉर 1 से लेकर 12 तक. विद द आई एम शोइंग दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस इमेज आल्सो. यू कैन लुक केयरफुली. नाउ we are go through how the Roman numbers are invented, how they are created. Okay, we are going through the rule number 1. Any symbol out of 1, 10, 100 and 1000. I am writing down the each and every Hindu Arabic number for this symbol. Here we are using 1, 10, 100 and the 1000. This symbol can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. Okay student, rule number 1 हमें बताता है कि 1, 10, 100 and 1000. These symbols only using a maximum 3 times, not a 4 time. Only 3 times you can use it, and its value gets added as many times as the symbol is repeated. और इनकी वैल्यू उनमें ऐड होती है. क्यों ऐड होती है? जितने बार वो रिपीट होंगे उतने बार उनकी वैल्यू एक के अंदर एक ऐड होती है. एंड दे आर गिविंग समथिंग डिफरेंट नंबर इज देयर 3 टाइम्स. सो ये IMP पॉइंट जिनको मैं सर्कल कर रहा हूं या तो फिर हाफ सर्कल कर रहा हूं. सो दीज आर द 4 symbols. Only remember that these 4 symbols can be repeated only 3 times, and if they repeated, its value gets added as many times as the symbol is repeated. So first here this 1 stand for, this I stand for 1, so I am writing 1 here. Now this symbol comes 2 times. So here as per the rule the value gets added as many times as the symbol is repeated. So 2 times here, so I am adding 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is there. So for 2 we can using which Roman number? This double I is there. Now here is 3. So 1 plus 1 as per the rule कि जितने बार symbol repeat होगा उतनी बार वो add होगा. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore 3 के लिए हम symbol इस्तेमाल करते हैं is equal to triple I is there. Now downside, this symbol stand for 10. Very good. Here come 2 times x. It means 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Therefore 20 के लिए कौन सा रोमन नंबर इस्तेमाल होगा? Double x. Now x plus here 3 times x come. It means 10 plus 10 as per the rule. जितने टाइम symbol repeat होगा उतने टाइम वो add होगा. And this symbol repeated only 3 times. So is equal to 30. Therefore for the 30 we can use Roman number triple x is there. Now double C, it means now you understood 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. So we can using a for 200 double C is there. And now triple C, it means yeah very good 300. For triple C 300 and triple M it means 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 3000. If you not understood, please go through this chart, and these are the 7 basic symbols, and then you know M stand for 1000. That's why here triple M come. That's why I am writing here 3000. Now note. Okay, note is very important. Why the note is important? Here they giving how many time x? 4 time, and as per the rule any symbol, okay, any matlab these four symbols can be repeated maximum 3 times. Here he come 4 times, that's why it's not correct. This also here I come 4 times, it means cannot be formed. इसे 4 टाइम हम इनको ले नहीं सकते, that is wrong is there. Now note 2, V stand for 5, L stand for 50 and the D stands for 500 are never repeated in one number. ये कभी भी एक ही नंबर में रिपीट नहीं होती. It means V stand for 5, L for 50 and the D for 500 ये कभी भी रिपीट नहीं होता है. It's come only one time. They are never repeated, never come twice and the thrice. This is the very important rule. Now moving to the next rule number 2. What is the rule number 2? If a Roman numeral of smaller value is written to the right of the symbol, if a Roman numeral of a smaller value is written to the right of the symbol with the larger or equal value, then their value get added. This is also important rule, students. Okay, so many students they are know that okay 1 के लिए 5, 50, 100, 500, 1000 के लिए कौन सा रोमन नंबर यूज करना है वो हमें पता है. which capital letter we can use it वो हमें पता होता है. but some numbers are formed with the help of this rule number 2. और यहाँ पर बताया गया है कि if a Roman numeral of a smaller value, अगर एक स्मॉलर वैल्यू का रोमन न्यूमरल अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आता है उस वक्त एडिशन करते हैं राइट एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, आप सबको पता है. सो हियर वी गो थ्रू द एग्जांपल. V and I stands given here. Now V it means stands for 5 and I means 1. So go through the rule number 2. If a smaller value come to the right side of larger value, अगर smaller value larger value के right side में आती है तब हम उनकी क्या करते हैं एडिशन करते हैं. That's why I am writing here 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. For the 6 we can using which Roman numeral? This symbol VI is there. Now downside V and the triple time I is there. So I am writing here 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. For the 8 we can use this symbol. Now here 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Now X V I according to the rule, if the smaller value comes to the right side of the bigger value, that time we do addition there. So that's why 10 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 16. Similarly आप 17 लिख सकते हैं. Now here downside 18 is there. 10 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 18 is there. Now again XXV it means 10 plus 5 to 25 there. Now is with the help of this rule we are creating different Roman numerals. LX it means L stand for 50 and X for 10 is equal to 60. Now CX, now go through the chart. C it means 100, so I am writing here 100 and the X it means 10. So 10 for 110 we can use this Roman symbol CX is there. Now what is meant by CL? So C के लिए चार्ट में देखेंगे 100 plus L. L के लिए which number? 50. So is equal to 150. Now we get so many numbers are there. For 6, for 8, for 11, 16, 18, 25, 60, 110 and 150. Okay, moving to the rule number 3. The rule number 3 is if a Roman numeral of smaller value is written to the left of the symbol with the larger value, then their value gets subtracted. इसके पहले हमने rule number 2 देखा था. Rule number 2 में if the number come a smaller value right hand side of the bigger value, that time we do their addition. But now in the rule number 3, if a Roman numeral of smaller value is written to the left of the symbol, अगर बड़े symbol के left side में अगर हम smaller value लिखते हैं, smaller symbol लिखते हैं, that time we subtract their value from the bigger symbol. Now we go through the example. Example 1 is here. IV is there. Here smaller symbol from the left side of the bigger value. That's why we subtract 1 from the 5. So we go through the rule. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now therefore IV stand for 4. Now here we get the new Roman numeral, that is IV. It means 4. Now IX, it's a similar way. A smaller value come to the left side of the bigger value. That's why we are subtracting from that number. So 10 minus 1 करेंगे. X stand for 10, I stand for 1. So answer is come 9 is there. So for the 9 we can use which Roman numeral? This IX is our second example. Now third, XL. Now X stand for 10 and the L stand for 50. That's why smaller value come to the left side of the bigger value. So 50 minus 10, and we are writing here answer is 40. For the 40 we can write down XL. You don't write for the 40. Some students doing mistake. They know that we are writing for 30. Triple X is there, 3 times X. So for 40 they directly write down this type of answer 4 times X, but it is not good. हमने जो पहले एग्जांपल देखा था उसके नीचे नोट दी गई थी. In that note they are clearly mentioned that it is not allowed to write down 4 times X, and the 4 times C is there, and the 4 times M also. So you cannot write like this 4 times X. You can write down, go through the rule number 3 like this. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40, and the 40, for the 40 we can write down X L is. Example number 4, C and D here. Now smaller value come to the left side of the bigger value. So D stand for 500 and the C stand for 100. That's why 500 minus 100 is equal to, we get 400, and this is the Roman numeral for the 400. C D is there. Now example number 5, C M. C stand for, obviously 100, and M for 1000. So 1000 minus 100 is equal to, answer come 900. And for the 900, which Roman number use, which Roman numerals are used? CM. So I am write down CM here. For the 400 you can write down CD. But important note is that note 1 can be subtracted from V and X. It means 5 and 10 only. If the 1 comes before the 5 and before the 10, you only that time subtracted. No other number you can subtracted from 5 and the 10. Only 1 come before 5 and 10. That time you only subtracting. This is note number 1. Note number 2 है हमारे पास 10. X it means क्या? 10 can be subtracted from L and C. L stand for 50 and C stand for 100. So X can be subtracted only from this number L and the C, from 50 and 100. So we already subtracting it here. X L is there, and now for the 100 it means which number you get, that is 90. I am write down 6 number example here. X C is equal to, X stand for 10 and C for 100. So 100 minus 10 is equal to, we get the answer 90. For the 90 we can write down X C is there. Now smaller value comes to the left side of bigger value. That's why we subtracting it. If the smaller value come that side, that time we do addition is there. So downside one more note is that C it means 100. 100 can be subtracted from only 500, and the 1000 is there. So D and, so I make it underline here, D and the M. D stand for 500, M for 1000. So 100 can be subtracted only D and M. So we go through this example. Example number 4 and the 5. This is 100, and 100 is subtracted from only D and the M is there. I hope you understood this example. Please remember these all the symbols for Roman number: 4, 9, 40, 400, 900, then 90. These are the important Roman numerals. Students make so many mistakes when they write down the Roman numeral for 40, 400, 900, 9 and the 4. But if you go through this rule, you never do the mistake. You always solve the right example. You always give the right answer. So rule number 4 is there. Now rule number 4 is that when a smaller number lies between two larger numbers, when the smaller number lies between two larger numbers, the smaller number is subtracted from the larger number to the right of it, and then the result added to the value of the number of the left of it. The smaller number lies between two larger numbers. Smaller number lies between two larger numbers. The smaller number is subtracted from the larger number to the right of it. The smaller number is subtracted from the larger number. So smaller number is subtracted from the larger number to the right of it, जो उसके right side में है, and then the result added to the value, and then जो result आएगा उसको क्या करना है, आपको पहले नंबर के साथ ऐड करना है value of the number on the left of it, और उसके जो left में जो number है उसके ऐड कर देना है. So we go through the rule number 4. So this x stand for 10. So plus, and this according to the rule right side of the number में से हमें left side minus करनी है. This rule number 3 is given here. So 10 minus 1 ब्रैकेट में जाएगा. So 10 plus here 10 minus 1 9 is there. Therefore the answer is 19. Do their addition. First we do the subtraction and then जो आंसर आएगा उस आंसर को हमें फर्स्ट नंबर में ऐड करना है. So that's why for the 19 which Roman number we use? X is there. Now rule number 2, CXXIV is there. Now we go through the example. So C stand for 100 plus X stand for 10 plus this is 10 and the larger value right side smaller value comes, so you can do their subtraction. 5 minus 1 is that. Now 100 plus 10 that is 120 plus 5 minus 1 4 is that. So therefore I am writing here 124. So this number is stand for 124 is that. So simple is that. आपको क्या करना है, सबसे लास्ट में जो नंबर है उसके पहले आया हुआ स्मॉलर नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करो एंड जो भी वैल्यू मिलती है वो आपको उसके पहले वाले नंबर में ऐड कर देनी. इट इज सो सिंपल. x c I x इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे देखो ऑन द बोर्ड. x स्टैंड फॉर 10, c for 100, I for 1 and the x for 10. Here smaller value come to the right side of the bigger value, so we do first subtraction and then their addition. So here 100 minus 10 plus 1 minus 10. So these are the two brackets here. So 100 minus 10 we got 90 plus 10 minus 1 9. So therefore this is the 99. So for 99 we can write down this Roman symbol, that is XCIX for 99 is that. Okay students, you don't have any confusion. It is so simple. Go through the rule number 4. Now if you understood this rule number 5, so you can easily get the answer of how we write down the 1000, 15,000, 20,000. So this is so simple. If a bar is placed over a number, then the value of the number gets multiplied by 1000 in the Hindu-Arabic number system. Okay students, if a particular any Roman numeral and in that Roman numeral you can see the bar above the Roman numeral on the head is that place over a number. Okay, उस नंबर के ऊपर अगर आपको ऐसा कोई बार दिखता है, it means you can multiply that number by 1000. So इसका मीनिंग होता है अगर रोमन न्यूमरल के ऊपर बार है तो आपको क्या करना है, उस रोमन न्यूमरल को मल्टीप्लाई करना है with 1000. So this is V stand for 5. So 5 multiplied by this bar, it means 1000 is there. So I am writing 1000 and do their multiplication. 5 and the bar it is 5000 is there. So in this way they write down the number, only write down the bar above the Roman numerals on the head of the Roman numeral and you do their multiplication, you get the answer 5000. In the similar way, now 10 is here. If a bar is placed over a number, this number 10 के ऊपर एक बार प्लेस किया उन्होंने, that's why you can multiply 10 by 1000. So answer is come definitely 10,000. 10 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 10,000. In the same way, C and the bar over the numbers. C के ऊपर बार है इसलिए 100 multiplied by 1000 and we write down the answer here 1 2 3 4 5 50. So answer is 1 lakh is there. If a bar over a number, that time multiply number by 1000 and this number's value is equal to 1 lakh is there. Now similarly XV. So now tell me XV stand for, yes, very good, 15. Now 15 and the bar over the number, that the bar is over the number, this bar is over the number, that's why 15 multiplied by 1000. So answer is 15,000 is that. So simple is that students. If you go through the rules, if you not understood any particular rule, you can go and again watch the video. And now I am giving some Roman numbers for your understanding. In the left side of my corner you can just see that from 1 to 1000 is there. 1 to 100 all number is given there, and now for 100, 200, 300, 400, 5, 6, 900 and up to 1000 numbers are given there. You can go and check. You just pause my video and observe it very clearly. In the 5th standard you also learn it that number. I hope you understood this topic also, and here our number system is finished. Now we are come with the next lecture, that is topic number 2. Okay, तब तक के लिए goodbye, take care, stay home, stay safe.